Hello everyone, welcome to Nursing with Priya, and in today's lecture, we will learn about anatomical planes of the body. Before getting into anatomical planes, let us first understand what anatomical position is. Anatomical position is when a person is standing straight with his face and palms facing forward and feet flat on the surface. Anatomical position ये जो term है, it is base of everything in anatomy and it is very important for us to remember it. As we have already discussed in the previous lecture कि जो भी anatomical terms हैं, जितने भी anatomical terms हैं, they are all defined on the basis of anatomical position. So likewise anatomical planes जो हैं, they are also defined on the basis of anatomical position. That is why it is very important for us to know what anatomical position is. ठीक है. So now let's start with anatomical planes. Anatomical planes जो है, they are imaginary flat surfaces which are passing through our body and dividing them into two halves. Okay, remember that they are imaginary surfaces, not real surfaces. Before getting into the types and other details of anatomical planes, let us quickly understand that why it is important for us to understand or to learn the anatomical planes. सो दी फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज़ दैट जब भी कोई पेशेंट MRI करवाता है या फिर CT स्कैन करवाता है, तो जो रिपोर्ट होता है दैट इज़ ऑलवेज यूजिंग द वर्ड्स लाइक सजाइटल व्यू, coronal section, etc. So it is important for us to interpret the report of the patient. So it is important for us to have knowledge of the terms that are used. Another thing is while in surgery or OT, the surgeon always uses the terms like we will approach for coronal or transverse incision. So it is important for us to know about the terms. Also for physiotherapy, it is important because all the body movements are occurring or happening in into these planes. Okay. So it is important for us to understand the sagittal plane, coronal plane and transverse plane. ठीक है. Here you can see ये तीन type होते हैं of the anatomical planes. The axial one, which is also known as transverse, the coronal one as well as the sagittal one. Now let us understand them, what each one is. Okay. So the first one is sagittal plane, the second one is coronal plane, whereas the third one is transverse, जिसको axial plane भी बोलते हैं. ठीक है. The first one is sagittal plane, which is vertical plane dividing your body into right and left. ठीक है. Imagine कि कोई फ्लैट सरफेस जो है वो तुम्हारी बॉडी के मिड लाइन के थ्रू पास हो रहा है. ठीक है. इट विल डिवाइड योर बॉडी इनटू राइट एंड लेफ्ट. ठीक है. इसके भी दो टाइप हैं, विच इज मिड सजाइटल प्लेन एंड पैरा सजाइटल प्लेन. मिड सजाइटल प्लेन जो है डिवाइड्स योर बॉडी इनटू टू इक्वल हाफ्स, बिकॉज ये जो है एकदम सेंटर से पास होता है ऑफ द बॉडी, which gives you two equal halves, whereas the parasagittal one does not passes through the midline and gives you unequal halves. Okay. Now to remember the sagittal, we can use the word S of the sagittal. We can use the letter S of the word sagittal, which means side to side split, giving us right and left halves. Let's move on to the coronal plane. Coronal plane is also a vertical plane which is dividing your body into front and back part. In the sagittal plane, the imaginary plane was passing through the midline, but here it is passing through the side. Okay, and dividing your body into front and back part. इसको तुम याद कर सकते हो कि फॉर एग्जांपल तुम्हारे सर पे कोई क्राउन है, उसको अगर तुम साइड से दो हिस्सों में डिवाइड करोगे तो वी विल गेट एक आगे का पार्ट एंड एक पीछे का पार्ट. सिमिलरली व्हेन वी डिवाइड आवर बॉडी फ्रॉम द साइड, it gives us two parts, anterior and posterior. We have already discussed about these terms in the previous lecture. Let's move on to the last one, which is transverse plane. Transverse plane को axial plane भी बोलते हैं. This is horizontal plane. ठीक है. Sagittal plane and coronal plane were vertical plane, but this one is horizontal plane, which is dividing your body into upper and lower halves, which is also known as superior and inferior. Superior part is upper part and inferior part is lower part. Again, we have discussed these terms in previous lecture. इसको याद करने के लिए we can use the letter T from the word transverse itself, which means top and bottom part. ठीक है. Here you can see the visual representation of the imaginary lines जो एक्सरे एमआरआई में यूज होता है. ठीक है. देखो, this is the mid sagittal plane which is passing through the midline, and this is the coronal plane dividing your body from side from into front and back, and the last one is transverse, which is dividing your body into front and upper and lower part. लेट्स क्विकली रिवाइज कि कौन से 3 प्लेन्स हमने पढ़े. फर्स्ट वन वॉज सजाइटल प्लेन जो मिड लाइन से पास हो रहा है, गिविंग अस लेफ्ट एंड राइट halves of the body. The second one is coronal plane, which gives us anterior and posterior part of the body. Last one is transverse plane, giving us superior and inferior part of the body. That's all for today's lecture. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in comment section, and you will get notes in the telegram, and the link is in description box.